Hey guys, what's up? This is me Shrija and you're watching Magic Rainbow. This video has two parts: amazing facts about human brain and tips to keep your brain healthy. So first we move on to the first part, that is amazing facts about our brain. Are you ready? Alright, here we go. Number 1. If you are an adult, your brain is about 1.4 kg. It's fatty. It's the fattiest organ in the body. About 60% of the brain is fat. It's jelly textured and wrinkled as well. It's a myth that humans only use 10% of our brain. We are even using more than 10% when we sleep. Scientists believe that we use all of our brain or most of it. Brain doesn't feel pain. It cannot experience pain. It actually interprets pain signals sent to it. That's why brain surgery can be performed while the patient is awake with no pain or discomfort. Human brain gets smaller with age. This usually happens after you hit middle age. Our brain decreases in physical size gradually as time passes. The hypothalamus in our brain can't distinguish the difference between strong happiness and strong sadness. That's why we cry when we are too happy. The brain grows rapidly. A 2-year-old baby will have an 80% fully grown brain. By the age of 6, it will be 90%. It grows until early 20s. The brain receives 20% of the total oxygen from our body, even though it only represents 2% of our body's weight. Part of the brain responsible for posture, walking and movement coordination is called cerebellum. It's located in the back of the brain and weighs 150 grams, which represents around 10% of the total weight of the brain. About 75% of our brain is water, which means if you get dehydrated more than 2%, it can have a negative effect on the brain functions. No two brains are alike, even among identical twins. This uniqueness is the result of a combination of genetic factors and individual life experiences. The human brain is split into two sides. These sides are symmetrical but not identical. Each side is interacting with the opposite side of the body, which means movement on the left side of the body is controlled by the right side of the brain, and movement on the right side of the body is controlled by the left side of the brain. The left brain contains regions involved in speech, language, mathematical calculation and fact retrieval. The right brain plays a role in visual and audio processing, spatial skills and artistic ability, that is more instinctive or creative things. Human brain begins to lose some memory abilities as well as some cognitive skills by late 20s. The brain has three major parts: the cerebrum, cerebellum and brainstem. The cerebrum is the brain's biggest part. It handles a lot of survival tasks like movement, senses, temperature and judgment. Cerebrum is associated with higher order operations like problem solving, reasoning, emotions and learning. Cerebellum is associated with our muscle movements, posture and balance. And the brainstem handles a lot of activities which we do without thinking. like breathing, keeping our heart beating, coughing, swallowing, etc. The human brain is far better than the best computer ever created. Neurons makes all this speed possible. Neurons are nerve cells. There are about 100 billion neurons in our brain. Information transfer in our brain occurs at a rate equivalent to 260 miles per hour. Every time our heart beats, arteries carry 20 to 25% of blood to the brain. World's fastest supercomputer requires 24 million watts of power to operate, but our brains only require 20 watts and operate about 1 lakh times faster. Brain skull is made up of 22 bones, 8 cranial bones and 14 facial skeleton bones. Headache occurs outside the brain, not inside. It's hard to believe, right? But it's a fact. I'll explain. As I told you before, the brain itself has no nerves that give rise to the sensation of pain. In a headache, actually what happens is the pain originates from the tissues and structures that surround the skull or the brain. These tissues can become inflamed or irritated and cause headache. Brain gets bored easily. We can sustain high level of attention only for 10 minutes. In a normal human brain, at least 1 lakh different chemical reactions happening in every second. If you sleep in a new place for the first time, the brain processes danger and remains half awake in order to be more aware. 5 minutes after a dream, your body has already forgotten half of it, and 10 minutes later, it is 90% gone from your memory. Yawning is actually a reaction that sends more oxygen to the brain. Not only humans, but reptiles, birds, and mammals, they all yawn. Yawning is controlled by neurotransmitters in the brain. Spinal cord is the main source of communication between the body and the brain. Size doesn't matter in the case of brain. There is no evidence that a larger brain is smarter than a smaller brain. For example, Einstein's brain weighed smaller than an average brain, 2.7 pounds only. Let's move on to the second part, tips to keep our brain healthy. Stay hydrated. Water plays a big role in brain health and computing power. As I told you, 75% of our brain is water. So don't forget to drink plenty of water. Sleep is very important. Sleep is when the brain takes rest. A lack of sleep impacts information processing, attention, memory, mood, and logical thinking. Sedentary lifestyle is also bad for brain health. Regular exercise supports brain health and cognition. Brain doesn't like stress. It can really cause problems with learning and many important aspects of cognition. Short-term stresses are okay, but hours of sleeping in a stressful situation is bad for our brain. Good nutrition is important to brain health. So make sure that you're eating healthy food. Brain works best when it focuses on one task at a time. There is a lot about the brain that doctors and scientists still don't completely understand. Anyways, just like the rest of your body, the brain needs a healthy diet, exercise, and right amount of sleep to perform its best. See you soon. Bye for now.